I'm gonna be snoring tonight. Why? Because I'm sleeping on my back, the most common snoring position. Now I won't be snoring because I'm sleeping on my side, which increases the airflow that I'm receiving at night. Not only does this anti-snore pillow help me sleep on my side, but it also has a central ridge that gently tilts my head down, making sure that I get maximum airflow. It's made in France using bamboo fibers. It's even Ecotech certified, so I know it's free from harmful toxins and chemicals.
It's clinically proven to reduce snoring from the first night of use.
Join me and thousands of others who are winning our sleep back from snoring with the anti-snore pillow from SnoreLessNow.
It'll seriously change your life.